Hello YouTube, and welcome to yet another episode of Unboxing eBay. This time around we're gonna take a look at a $3 eBay Lightning to 30-pin adapter knockoff. Shipping was free, but this adapter took 75 days to arrive from Hong Kong to Europe, so be aware. Build quality seems a pair with other Apple knockoff adapters bought on eBay. This particular adapter is $29 on the Apple Store. Okay, let's cut to the chase. Here I have an old 30-pin charging cable. Let's plug the adapter in the Lightning port. And the 30-pin charging cable in the 30-pin charging adapter. The USB. Let's turn it on. And there you have it, guys and girls. A $3 eBay adapter that will put $26 in your pocket. And on that note, thanks for watching.